Hello class, how are you this morning everyone? Very good. So did you sleep well last night everyone? Very good. So everyone, did you review the lesson last night? Okay, good. So everyone, let's welcome back to our online class. Okay, so everyone, what day is it today? Good. So today is Thursday. Okay, August 6, 2020. So everyone, based on the online schedule, so on Thursday in the first session we are going to study about you are right. So we are going to study about grammar planet 3. Very good. So everyone, this is about the first session. So how about the second session? Which subject that we are going to study? Correct. So in the second session we are going to study hangout book, right? So it means that it's opposite from yesterday. Okay. So everyone, now before we go deeply to the main part of the lesson, okay, so everyone, teacher would like to get your attention to focus about the review part. What is it about? What have you learned, everyone? Good. So you have learned about modal verb. Okay, so good everyone. So you have learned about modal verb. Okay, so modal verbs. So what is modal verb, everyone? Can you provide the definition? Can you explain me what is modal verb? Okay, so anyone volunteer please? Good. So modal verb, we can say it's about, we can say another one, it is about auxiliary verb, right? Or we can say a helping verb, and they are used to express about ability, possibility, obligation, or giving advice. Okay, and especially it is about inviting as well. Okay, so everyone, how many modal verbs? Okay, so there are 8 modal verbs, but in unit 16 we have learned about only 3 modal verbs. Okay, so everyone, do you still remember the 3 modal verbs that you have learned? Very good. So the first one, it is about can. Okay, so what is can used for? So can used to express about ability. Very good. So can you give me the example? Good. So this is about the ability. So example, she can drive motor. Okay, she can drive motor. Okay, so this is about her ability, right? Good, that she can drive the motor. Okay, so the next example, the next one. So the next one, it is about can and may. Okay, so can and may is used for, yes, very good, about permission, right? Or ask for permission or to give the permission, right? Especially when you refer to the question form, it means that you ask for permission to do something, right? Good. So the example, I can, or I may what? Sit here. Okay. Okay, so I can sit here, or I may sit here. Okay, so this is show about permission. Okay, very good. And another one, it is about should, right? That we use it to express about good job. It is about, okay, so I can write this is about ability, and this is about permission, and this is about good. This is about advice. Very good. Okay, so this is about advice that you use should. So everyone, can you make, or can you give me the example? Yes, very good. So you should drink water. Okay, so you should drink water. This is about the advice. Okay, or you feel sick, right? So you should get a checkup. or you should go to the hospital, or you should go to see the doctor, right? Good. So anyone, now this is about a review. So teacher believe that you can catch up well about the 3 modal verbs. And right now we are going to practice about the exercise, what you have learned about the modal verb. Okay, good. So everyone, now you can open the textbook on page, yes, very good. So on page 69 and 70. Okay, so everyone, now you can open the book on page 69 and page 70. Okay, so we are going to practice 2 pages and 70. Good. So everyone, when you open the book on page 69, you will see section B. Okay, so section B, we are going to look and choose. Okay, you have to look at the picture, and after that we have to choose the correct answer. Okay, whether in the sentence we have to circle the correct answer. Okay, very good, students. So now let's focus about the sentence altogether. So the first one, what is it about? So the first one is can, and the second one is should. So can I play with them? And another one, should I play with them? So anyone, so can you tell me again which one is the correct answer, everyone? So as you see the girl, okay, she is wearing glasses. Okay, that she said that can or should I play with them, right? And she point to the animal, right? Good. So everyone, what is the correct answer? Yes, very good. So the correct answer is can. Very good. So the correct answer is can. Why we use can is the correct answer. Why we choose can is the correct answer. Can you tell me? Very good. So because can, it is about the permission, to ask for permission, right? Because she asked for permission to play with that animal on the tree, right? Good. And another one, another girl, she responded, no, you can't, right? This is about the answer. Okay, so we choose can. So can I play with them? Good. So this is the result. Okay, so move on to number 2. So that is not your food, Meg. You shouldn't eat it. So everyone, this is about the second one, right? So which one is the correct answer? Whether you choose should or shouldn't. That is not your food, Meg. You shouldn't eat it. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Very good. So the correct answer is the second one, shouldn't. So that is not your food. That is not your food, right? So you shouldn't eat it. Okay, this is not. Yes, this is about the advice that you should not eat it. Okay, eat it here refer to the food. Okay, here refer to the food. Okay. Okay, so now let's move on to number 3 altogether. So number 3, may and can't. So may I sit here and can't I sit here? So which one is the correct answer? Good. So you know exactly, right? So the correct answer is the first one. May I sit here? Because may it's used for, yes, very good. It's used for permission, right? Good. So you ask for permission to sit here, right? So may I sit here? Okay, this is about a question, right? Good. So don't forget the question mark. So may I sit here? You ask for permission. Okay, good. So everyone, this is about the exercise practice in section B. So now let's move your attention to move on to the next page. We refer to language tracking. Okay, so everyone, now let's focus about the exercise altogether. So second C, right? Look, read, and circle. So everyone, now you have to look at the picture, and after that you have to read, and the next step you have to circle the correct answer. Okay, good, everyone. So how many sentences are there? Okay, so there are 4 sentences, and we have 4 pictures. And number 1, it is about the example. Okay, so number 1, they can climb. So The correct answer is can. Okay, so they can climb. They can climb. This is about ability. Okay, ability. They can climb up the tree. Okay, very good. So this is about the correct answer. So everyone, now let's move on to number 2 altogether. So number 2, as you can see in the picture, you see a boy, right? Yes, very good. You see a boy, maybe he is looking for something. Okay, so he not may eat the food until everyone sit down. Okay, so everyone, which one is the correct answer? The first one may not, and the second one not may. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Very good, you are right. So the correct answer is may not. And we cannot use the short form, right? Not, we cannot combine may and not together. So we have to use may not, the full form. We cannot use the shortcut. Okay, so he may not eat the food until everyone sit down. Okay, good students. So now let's move on to number 3. So number 3, you see a girl, maybe she is holding a glass of water, right? Good. And everyone, now let's focus about the sentence altogether. So I am thirsty, I may drink some water. So everyone, which one is the correct answer? Whether you should or may. So the correct answer is good, should. Okay, so I should drink some water. Why we choose should? Because should, it express about, yes, very good, it express about the advice. Okay, so if you are thirsty, you should drink water, right? Good. So everyone, now let's focus about the last one, which is about number 4. So what do you see in the picture? You see Max, right? And you see the food. Okay, so everyone, now let's read the sentence. Max can eat the food. It's not for him. So which one is the correct answer, everyone? Exactly. So the correct answer is the first one. Okay, Max cannot eat the food. It's not for him. Okay. It's not for him. So he do not have the ability to eat that food. Okay, good. So it is focused about the first one, ability. Okay, so everyone, teacher believe that you can catch up well. Okay, about the exercise practice about modal verbs. And everyone, do you have any question? And if you don't have any question, so teacher would like to end this video for the first session, and we move on to the second session altogether. Goodbye.